There was a lot of things that came across, but what hit me the most was I'm a very impatient person. So, you know, paying the money wasn't. I mean, didn't even know if I had the money to pay. That didn't matter to me. What mattered to me is how fast can you turn this around.
People ask me all the time, and you're in a room with right now with probably 10 other business owners that combined you guys are doing, I don't know, a couple $100 million.
Mm-hmm.
And downstairs simultaneously we have that 10x360 you went to in the fall with 100 people down there. And what's amazing is people ask me all the time, how is it people spend hundreds of thousands of dollars with you guys and make that decision in the first half of the first day of meeting? And I tell them, because when you're an entrepreneur or business owner and you're actually out grinding and you sit in a room for the first time in your life, having somebody explain 5 years, 10 years, 20 years of your struggles,
Mm-hmm.
defining why they're struggles and what you need to do to fix them, and then showing them what your next struggles are going to be, it so relates versus somebody who's like small. They don't even know those things are going to be an issue they're going to deal with. How many epiphanies did you have sitting through that 2-day workshop where you were like, I got to go all in with these guys and get this business engineered?
There was a lot of things that came across, but what hit me the most was I'm a very impatient person. So, paying the money wasn't. I mean, didn't even know if I had the money to pay. That didn't matter to me. What mattered to me is how fast can you turn this around. So, because I knew of the right path, what I needed to do. So it was. It's hard to explain the clarity that you get by the way that Cardone Ventures organizes and lays things out. And it's even going through my platform now. The way that the slides are presented and the way that the graphs are shown, everything is so clear and easy to understand for someone like me who my brain is kind of all over the place. So it really is a guiding light, so to speak.
And how exciting is it to be able to look at a 10-year strategy and recognize what the true opportunity is to build a business? Have you went through your 10-year yet?
Yeah.
So what is your 10-year plan now?
Well, as far as revenue goes,
Yeah.
75 million in 10 years, which it's kind of funny because I thought we'd be at 100 million after going through a couple of the courses here and some of the programs, but that's just a number, but all the backup that goes with it and seeing how you can get to that point and is what's exciting for me, and knowing and giving me the confidence to be able to charge for that and go back and as a leader show that confidence, because that's what's going to get the people to move as well.